Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best portable hammock stands on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Talecco Gear Hammock Chair Stand. Built using durable steel tubing frames, Talecco Gear's size A swing can be a much-needed addition to your spaces. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor spaces ranging from your patio and garden to even your backyard. A frame design provides stable bases and safe conditions. Our hammock chair stand is constructed of approximately 1.3-inch diameter steel tubing frames that can support up to 300 pounds, which you can enjoy with your family member. The hammock chair with a stand is designed for indoor or outdoor use and made of weather-resistant, powder-coated steel that can prevent rusting and ensure long-lasting support. It can be used in the garden, patio, yard, wherever you want. This swing stand can be easily assembled within minutes without any tools. So you just need less time put together and spend more time enjoying the hammock chair. Number 2. Second best pick is Sorbus Double Hammock with Steel Stand. The hammock swing from Sorbus is durably built to be suitable for children and adults, thanks to its 5 adjustable height positions. This stylish double hammock swing and space-saving stand can be quickly set up and is easy to relocate. It has 5 adjustable height options so you can choose your perfect position. Colorful cotton and polyester fabric for durability and ultimate comfort that will not stretch or rip under pressure. Large hanging bed so you can relax your entire body. Perfect for lounging and creates tranquil ambience. Stand is constructed of sturdy, weather-resistant steel, carrying case included. Comfortably accommodates 2 adults and holds up to 450 pounds, it has 5 adjustable height options so it's suitable for all ages. Number 3. Third best pick is Wintming Camping Hammock with Rainfly cover and net. Made using breathable and comfortable 70D nylon and 3000 mm waterproof finish, the Wintming Camping Hammock is built with a capacity of 440 pounds and comes with a pop-up and a loop strap to help you install and use it during your leisure times. Thanks to the spacious build, you can now enjoy more space without feeling claustrophobic. For hassle-free time using this camping hammock regardless of the climate, it comes with a rainfly and a net to keep you safe from unfavorable weather conditions like rain and scorching summers. This tree hammock not only can be used as a camping tent hammock, sleeping bed, but also used as patio hammock, backyard hammock, sleeping hammock, in order to satisfy your need during your indoor and courtyard leisure or outdoor trip. Pop-up designed waterproof hammock combined with a loop strap helps you to install easily. The package includes all necessary accessories. You can enjoy your leisure time at once, perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, emergency survival and any adventures. The hammock cover is available in camo, orange, and green colors. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Republic of Durable Goods Portable Hammock Stand. If you're into outdoor/indoor recreation activities, there's a collapsible hammock with a stand made for you. This is the world's most popular project on Kickstarter with all-inclusive design that can meet all your home recreations or other outdoor events needs. Just under 15 pounds design makes portable framed hammocks easy to pack and take anywhere you go. Easily to set up in 60 seconds or less, perfect for patio nap, swimming pool activities, home barbecue, as well as closer to home like your deck, backyard, and even inside for sleepovers. This portable folding hammock allows hammocking in places not possible with a traditional hammock. Order this to get value-added services that come with it: quilts for warmth, a bug net for bugs, and a rain tarp for rain, sunshade canopy for UV block, basket and drink pockets for large storage, padded headrest for great enjoyment, etc. Enjoy sitting across it as a travel hammock chair or lay down in it as a solo hammock. The portable folding stand sets up easily for a quick nap or nature bathing session. Enjoy the view, read a book, play on your phone, people watch, power nap, etc. in suspended comfort. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Pirny Hammock Chair Stand. You can now unwind and spend quality time by taking this Pirny hammock chair stand with you. Manufactured using soft and environment-friendly cotton, the padded cotton swing chair can go soft on your skin. Its polyester interface comes as an external design that makes hanging a chair comfortable and easy to balance. The swing also boasts 2 swing hooks to hang your swing and a physical structure made using rust-proof iron tubes that measure 15 inches in diameter. Unlike the bulky shelves that take up space, this one covers only 1.09 square meters. It's a great relief to you. Further, the swing is available in white and gray shades, suitable for a variety of hanging chair swings. Buy now and you will get a comfortable hanging chair. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.